I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated with NetSuite. Today, I will guide you through how to give customers access to their invoices and even allow them to pay online in NetSuite. The way to do that is to do Setup, Company, Enable Features. You might need to be an administrator to access that screen, and then you can go to the sub-tab Transactions. Here, you just look for credit card payments. So you see here it's already selected if you want to let customers pay invoices online. Under the other sub-tab that you have here, which is web presence, you need to check the customer access box. I see it's already checked here. So it allows customers to view their invoices, and when you're happy, you click on save. Once this is done, you go to Setup, Accounting, and you're looking for the accounting preferences this time. You click this item transaction sub-tab, and then you're looking for payment processing. So you need to check that customers can pay online, this one here. And then you click save again. Before I continue, I would be super grateful if you could please subscribe to this channel for more detailed NetSuite tips and tricks. Once this is done, we need to set up access on the customer records. So we'll go to the customers list, customers here. On this page, we'll click on the edit button on the customer you want to give access to. Here, you need to make sure that the email address is entered, and then you can navigate to the access sub-tab. Here, you will see the role field. And you need to make sure it is customer center role. You can also check the give access box to allow this customer to access the NetSuite customer center. It's optional that if you'd like the customer to set their own password, you would check the send new access notification email here. So you can see if it's the correct one, to give them access to NetSuite, a link to set that user create a password. Okay, I was correct. And then you just click on save when you're happy. If you want this customer to have access to a fully customizable customer portal where you put your colors, your logo, you have a lot of payment methods with multiple providers, account statements, list of credit notes, list of past payments, and more, then you should have a look at Kolleno. And the third point is that you need to manually set a password. It's optional. If you want to set the password yourself after assigning the customer center role, you would uncheck that box to send a notification email and check on the right hand side, manually assign or change password. And you know that was grayed out. Now I can enter a password, confirm, and click on save. The fourth point is the customer login. The customer logs in using the email address and password set on this record. To find the URL for the customer center, you can go to Setup, Company, Company Information, and we just need to locate the customer center login URL. It was in the company URL sub-tab, customer center login. Once logged in, customers can view past invoices and, if enabled, pay their open invoices online. If you want to automatically send in complex workflows, really optimize the exact link to your customers, then again have a look at Kolleno. And for the rest, just like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.